Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Upper Deck of the Cup box break number 96. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. Serial number 10 is NE95622113. That's NE956222113. But best of luck, everybody. Start with the base card for the Canucks of Henrik Sedin, number 206 out of 249. We have a rookie patches, number to 249 of Carl Hagelin for the Rangers. And we have a signature patches card of Zach Kassian for the Sabres. It is number 65 out of 75. Card goes to the Sabres. We have an enshrinements card, 1 out of 50 for the Oilers of Jari Kurri. And we have a auto rookie card for the Jets of Paul Postma, 132 out of 199. And we have a base card for the Red Wings of Pavel Datsyuk, 107 out of 249. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.